In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself digging through old emails, trying to find that one email address or phone number you need, you'll know just how valuable it is to have all your contacts neatly organized in one place. So, let's dive into it, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to efficiently keep your Gmail contacts up to date. To start off, you need to open your Gmail account. Once you've done that, take a good look at the right side of your screen. You'll notice some handy icons there like Google Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. In the midst of these, you will also see an icon for contacts. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Contacts section, you should see a button featuring a plus sign right in the middle of your screen. This is your gateway to creating a new contact. Click that button, and you'll be ready to input the details of your new contact. Now, here comes the fun part, entering the details. You'll start with the name. This is essential for easy retrieval and for when you need to personally address an email. But don't stop there. If you want a more comprehensive contact list, add details like the company your contact works for and their job title. This can be particularly useful in professional settings, as it helps you remember your contact's role and where they fit within their organization. Next, of course, is the email address. Since you're working within Gmail, this is probably one of the most crucial pieces of information. After the email, you might want to add a phone number, which can be handy for when you need to get in touch quickly or send a message. If you want, take it a step further by adding the contact's address. This is particularly useful if you occasionally need to send physical mail or just want to have a full record for future reference. There's also an option to add a birthday. While it might seem trivial, knowing birthdays can be a nice touch, especially if you like sending out well-timed greetings. Also, don't forget that Gmail Contacts allows you to add even more fields if needed. Perhaps social media profiles or a secondary email address will make your interactions smoother. Once you've entered all the information you want, go ahead and click the Save button. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact in Gmail. Now, anytime you need their info, it's all in one convenient spot, saving you time and keeping you organized. Feel free to customize your contact details as you see fit. It's a simple process, but it can make a significant difference in your communication flow. Thanks for watching, and good luck with managing your digital contacts.